What if everything you believe about reality is incomplete? What if this moment is happening more than once? What if reality itself can split? If you've seen Doctor Strange or Men in Black, you already know this idea. Multiple universes, multiple outcomes. The same moment unfolding differently. But what if this idea didn't begin in cinema? What if the first imagination of the multiverse was written thousands of years ago? In India, in the Ramayana, there appears a strange being, not a god, not a human, but a crow. His name was Kakabhushundi. He did not travel through universes, he remembered them. He said the Ramayana did not happen once, but again, and again, and again. Different outcomes, different struggles, different realities. In some worlds, Rama suffers more. In some, Ravana almost wins. But one thing never changes: Dharma, the cosmic order. Now fast forward to modern science. Everything you see, all stars, all galaxies, all planets, together, make up less than 5% of reality. The rest, science calls it dark matter, dark energy. And here is the honest truth: we do not know what they are. So here's a question, not a claim, just a possibility. What if this missing reality is not missing at all? What if it exists elsewhere, in layers, in parallel universes, touching ours? What if the Big Bang was not a beginning, but a collision? Two universes touching, exchanging energy, sparking time itself. Unproven? Yes. Impossible? No. And suddenly, an ancient crow watching reality loop doesn't feel like mythology. It feels like memory. So ask yourself, if the same story unfolds in countless universes, who are you in this one? The hero, the villain, or the observer?